Straight up. Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, 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 cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Riding in the car with no keys, straight up. With these shipping on speed. Got a lot of gang, nigga, I'm reppin'. Chopper get the beach and I'm the reverend. Call him new era, he capping. Yeah, them the type of niggas I ain't that on. Now book a show, man, my bag can't cash it. 21, the sound dog, I'm taxing. Riding in the coupe and it's a sport. Yeah, my bodyguard look like a horse. She gon' set me up like it's a toy. Got to the La Ferrari on the tour. Buy what you mean when I get bored. Put my side pieces out of porch. A Porsche. Wanted to turn me to an asshole. I ain't gonna lie, I was used to being poor. I put Chanel on my feet. And European model got Chanel on my seats. Put me in a third world country in the middle of the slums. I'ma turn it to $1 million street. I'm for real, I made this, so it's $1 million beat. B12, BBS, I fell in love with straight up. Walk in your session, you ain't ripping about nothing. My invoice gon' be $1 million fee. God, hop in a Bentley and slide and what? Through my chain and you die. Say what? You know my move, but I'ma turn you.
What's up, guys? So today you're joining me in the BMW 330i. This is the G20 series. They started in 2019 until recently with the LTI models. So today we're just gonna have a quick drive and I'm gonna tell you everything you might need to know about this car. And also, is it better than the GTI? Okay, so now I'm just gonna go for a quick drive and tell you everything you need to know about this car. Is it worth it? The BMW 330i pushes out 190 kilowatts of power and also 400 newton meters of torque, and also when you press it, this is what you get. It's very rapid. If you tune it, you can get very good power out of this thing. So what BMW has done, they've taken the same car, the same body from the 320 318s, and they've given it a beefier suspension. They've given it a bigger engine, which is the 4-cylinder B48 engine, the same engine that is in the Mini Cooper JCW, also the M135 and the 128 Ti. So now I'm just gonna rev the car and then you can listen to this updated exhaust system. It has some cool bangs up to it.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a Challenger. I get some lemons for me in the fridge. Get cold seats, they some cannibals. She like the repeat. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she say she's singing pretty. I go in the jungle and ain't got a coat. I bet I come out with a mean. Do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Color stones in my infinity link. And in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real. Water on me like the sauna. Carry some pointers. All these commas, I won't fumble. Me go gunners out the jungle. Me buy it all, fuck a front up. Nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 35 to the tropics. Nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick. Nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded. Diamonds be dancing like Bobby. They dance. Don't touch it, dick like it be cocky. Don't touch it. Shroom and G's at the party. We get it. Bitch, it gon' trend on the top. Keep trending. The way I pull up, I'ma pop it, and none of these niggas gon' stop me. Pull up, gone. Put this shit on, get a cup for the drip. I'm a motherfucking 5. Keep low. Keep stacking your bank and get bigger. Never will. I throw some shade on no nigga. On tank. Little nigga, don't play with these niggas. I see the bitch picture. We up on these niggas. The huncho, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga. When I get up, we gon' ball on these niggas. Fucking shit up, cause we beat out the system. Water on me like the sauna. Carry some pointers. All these commas, I won't fumble. Me go gunners out the jungle. Me buy it all, fuck a front up. Nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 35 to the tropics. Nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick. Nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this drunk. You know I can nasty.
cash out, cash in,